Hello everyone, today we are going to learn on how you can check your batteries healthy on your iPhone, since most people face the issue of getting scammed with iPhones with fake battery life. Or they told that their phone is new, when in fact it's been used for a really long time. So today I'm going to show you how it's done, how to check your battery's life, and by the end of the video I will even show you how to make its life last longer, so watch till the end. First start by opening settings. Then scroll down into your options, and then click on battery. After clicking on it, wait for the results. And now as you can see we have enough information about our battery, such as its charging information over time, the screen time, and the apps using your battery the most. So to see your battery's life, simply scroll up, and click here on battery healthy. And now as you can see we enough information, and here it's our battery's life. And as you can see mine is on 89%, yes it's not a good battery healthy life, but I hope yours has a good one. However, you should avoid using your phone on charger because it results into its damage. So remember this tip. Thanks for watching, and if you are new, make sure you subscribe for more videos.